Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily darken a video inside of Premiere Pro. So there's actually two different ways on how we can do this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. So the first way would be with the opacity. So what you want to do is you want to select the clip where you want to darken, and at the top here you just want to first click on Windows and make sure that Effect Controls is activated, because if this is not activated you will not be able to do this. So make sure to do that first. Now once that's done, we can see this Effects Controls tab here, and we can find the opacity. Now, what happens if we lower this opacity is it actually gets darker. So the issue that you may have with this is if you have another clip underneath, when you lower the opacity, it will actually make the layer underneath visible, as you can see. So if we raise this back up, it brings it back to this one, but if we lower it, we can now see the one that's in before. So you might have different layers and this might not work for you. So there is another way, luckily. So what you want to do again, you want to click on Windows and make sure this one, Lumetri Color, is enabled. Once you've got that enabled, you can click on your clip again, and we can go into the top right corner and we should be able to find Lumetri Color. Now from here, we just want to be on this basic correction tab, and under light, we can find the exposure settings. Now, if we lower this, this will actually make it darker, but it won't actually do what we just saw with opacity and make the bottom layer visible. So as you can see, it stays dark basically, without exposing the other one. So if you have multiple layers, this is definitely the better method to do, as otherwise you'll see all your layers underneath and it just won't give the effect you're looking for. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that helped you, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.